No.
You better have something fantastic to say for me to need to be doing this on a Friday after a week.
You guys
of
have
work.
no idea how much I coerce
At gunpoint
Yazzo to do the, oh my God.
Well, I'm fucking tired.
I'm so stressed at work. Work has been a bitch this week, seriously.
So
and
you're all
just...
back to Geoff straight away, immediately back to Geoff. But I guess it's his channel, so.
Hey, before we move on with the video, how good's this?
Why do you do that? We get like nothing from these people.
True that, Levantine Hill.
These people.
Levantine
Send
Hill.
us some more Pinot.
Levantine Hill need to give us a shout out from the valley. Hey guys,
Come on.
Why'd you just say, hey guys? And Dad, by the way, stop swearing. Like,
Okay.
we might have kids watching this, alright? And please don't show the camera to me, I look bad.
piss off, Bella. If you're after an easy entree, well, this is going to be it for you. Well, you can make it a main and whatever the hell you want, really. Garlic prawns. We're going to make the simple, cheap.
No,
we're going to make the simple.
Weren't cheap.
They are cheap. We're going to make the simple and fuss-free version, of which you're just going to want to lick the plate. And it's so simple. There's hardly anything in it, but it's cracker. So, first thing, prawns, shrimp. If you're in America, I'm just going to dump these out onto a paper towel because you're not getting the dishes in here.
I am not, but I do want to say before you get mad at me, I was hungry when I got the amount of prawns that I got.
Let's move this over just a little bit, Yazzo, so we're away from the unwashed dishes.
I think I got enough for four per person.
I mean, look at these. These are our local fishmonger is epic, and I mean, look at these things for reference. These are big and they're meaty and they're bloody delicious. But what you need to do is make sure that they are reasonably dry. So we just put them onto a paper towel or a Chuck's cloth, if you prefer. Either one of those things.
Can I ask you a question?
Man overboard. Yep.
Are you okay with that music in the background?
Hey Google, stop the music. Problem solved.
Okay.
All right, so we're just give these a bit of a dry off. Really, is all we really need to do. Beautiful.
The size of them.
Oh, they're just beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. Excellent. All right, hit me up, Yazzo. Actually, we probably need to put these into a bowl, so I'll just quickly grab a bowl. Hang on. All right, Lane's Cubano seasoning. Hang on. Hey guys, I'm getting a bit old. I mean, I had laser surgery when I was 27 and my eyes were like an eagle, and now, well, they're not.
Geoff,
49.
yeah, I was just going to say that was when you were 27.
Pepper, garlic, lime, sugar, salt, oregano, orange peel, orange zest, dill, cumin, mustard seed, coriander.
Take the glasses off immediately.
It's amazing, and I love it, and it's epic on prawns. Now, it is a little bit, to me, salty, not in a bad way, but what you don't want to do is overdo it, is where I'm going. So, give it a bit of a shake, and we'll give it a little toss up. And you just want a nice, like, little amount.
And I don't like a lot of salt, and this is nice when you just use that.
Yeah, you just want to yep, that's probably enough.
Yep.
And bearing in mind too, well, I'm using salted butter because I just don't care. If you want to use unsalted and control it, good for you. All right, so I'm just going to get a pan on. What we've got, I've just got prepped some spring onion. You can use chives. Actually, I prefer chives, but funnily enough, I got abused today when Yazzo went to the supermarket and they're out of stock everywhere, apparently, of chives. And I said, oh, just get spring onion.
No, Geoff, not one supermarket.
Totally
I went to 3, including Aldi. And 2 grocers.
Point more is that I got abused for that.
Point more is that I went when I should have been.
A solid knob of butter and 3 crushed garlic cloves. And optionally a lemon over the top. A lot of recipes use white wine. You can also do that if you choose.
No, we don't need more wine.
I think this is.
We've had too much wine.
I think this is great as it is, to be honest. And you're just going to want to dive in. So let's come around here. All right, olive oil in. Prawns in. Nice little sizzle. This is pretty quick, right? So we're looking at 2-3 minutes. You'll see them start to change colour and then they firm up. Once they firm up, then the garlic and the butter goes in and we're off to the races. All right, so we're nearly done here. That's literally 2-3 minutes max. Garlic in. We'll give that a stir around. And our knob of butter in. And we just want that to start melting. Reserve some of these for garnish, but we'll put a few of these in now. One last stir around. That's it. Heat off, done. Thumbnail photographs taken. Let's dive in, shall we? Bit of that. Cheers.
I'm gonna hurry up, I wanna eat.
That's so good. That is gorgeous. And the best part, you can see we piled up a whole shitload of bread here. The best part of this whole, and you can't really see the terrible choice of plate there.
I know, I'm sorry. Yeah,
wrong colour.
I was trying to be artistic.
Bread.
I can see that though.
I think that shows you. And then,
oh, cholesterol reading 15 tomorrow.
Oh my God, that's good. Simple, easy, crowd pleaser, delicious. Get on board. See you soon. Cheers.
Oh my God, Dad, you're a rock star.
I'm a what? Sorry, say that again. Sorry.
You're a rock star. I'm sorry, guys, but this is the best garlic bread you can find. Dad, you want to support?
Who's a good Benji? Who's the best?
Mama. Both of you.